Hi guys, welcome back to TechCatAssist. In this video I want to show you how you can automatically log into your Windows 11, how to set it up, okay? But before I do that, guys, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Like the videos, check my other videos as well. Take a look please on my website, TechCatAssist.com. The address is on the top. You might find something interesting in there, okay? And you can buy as well t-shirt, TechCatAssist t-shirts. Okay, so I'm gonna show it to you how you can do that, okay? Now basically before I do that, just be careful because it's just automatically logging in Windows. It could cause some issues, security issues. You don't do it on the laptop. I would just probably do that on the PC if you're using it in your room. If it's just on your own PC, then you can use it, or maybe you have a computer that's connected to the TV for some multi TV kind of like a feature on the PC. People are using that as well, okay? So without further ado, I'm just gonna show it to you now, okay? So first what I'm gonna do is press left hand side logo, Windows logo, and R, so that's gonna bring me up the option run. Now the command is already here. It's netplwiz, okay? So I'm gonna put that in the description of my video, okay? So don't worry. netplwiz, and then click on OK. Now this pops up here, Windows user accounts. Now I'm gonna just hide my names there because there are a few users using my PC, so just for the security reasons, guys. So don't worry about that, okay? Now you see here I have this option tick and an untick. So users must enter a username and password to use this PC. So this is normally ticked. It's by default. So if I untick that, okay, and my name is there, and I click on apply, you get a pop-up window to put the password. So that's your PC Windows 11 or 10 password, okay? So I'm gonna put the password in. Okay, so the password is remembered. Click on OK. So on the next login, next restart, it will automatically log into your account. So I'm gonna show it to you now, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna just switch the videos to the camera, outside the camera, on the screen recording, okay? So see you in a minute. So guys, I'm gonna show you now what does it do. So I'm gonna click on restart. Some kind of program here is restarting now. So I'm recording this with my iPhone, okay? So there's an external camera, I'm not using the screen recorder now. The quality is not great, to be honest with you guys. I need to change my iPhone. There it is now. So I'm starting the computer. Okay, takes a moment. Now see the login page. There's no login. There's no password box to put in, and it just gives you the welcome screen, and that's it. It looks in. Okay. So that's it. Okay, so now I'm back in Windows. So as you can see, it's automatically logging me in. I don't have to type in the password, but you know what? I'm gonna just change it back because I'm more cautious about security issues involving this process of logging in automatically to Windows. But there is an option. It is an option there that you can set it up if you want, of course. Yeah. So I'm just gonna take that back. And apply, and okay, so that will bring back the login page, login password login pop-up when you log in into Windows. Okay, so guys, thanks very much for watching. It was a short video. I will try to make some more videos next week maybe as well. Yeah guys, please subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. As I said before, check my website, TechCatAssist.com, and yeah, thanks very much for watching. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.